Hello everyone, this is Mitali here from Fabulous You, and this video will be again on the beautiful dresses on the western wear collections. All are very classy pieces which I've got for you all. Booking number is 9711152666. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and also do follow my Facebook page. If you want to join my WhatsApp group for the updates and the discounts, please do WhatsApp me on the same number if you're not able to find the WhatsApp group link. So let us start off with the beautiful collection. So here I start off with a party wear. Why I say party wear? Because it has got little shimmery all over the dress. Okay, and it is a very stretchable dress. Shimmery all of the dress, very stretchable dress. The size which will fit is 34, 36, 38 till 40 can go. Okay, till 40 can go. बहुत ही प्यारा सा ऐसे halter style में है. Okay, you can see it's a halter style and you can see the sequence वो जो लगा हुआ है ये कोई local fabrics नहीं है. Whatever I'm showing, these are all the imported pieces I'm going to show. So quality is top notch. If you like the size and the pattern, if it fits your size and the pattern, then go for it. Okay, this is a beautiful dress, a lovely party wear dress with a decent length. You can see this is a decent length and it got the tree frills also below. Okay, tree frills are there in below, and this one is of price 950 free shipping. Okay, price is 950 free shipping. Fabric मतलब जैसा भी है कुछ नहीं होना वैसा फैब्रिक ही मैं लाई हूँ. ओके, 950 फ्री शिपिंग. सुपर कंफर्टेबल ड्रेस. यू कैन ग्रैब इट फॉर. सो हियर इज द नेक्स्ट ड्रेस जिसको लास्ट टाइम में वो पहला वाला पीस नहीं मिला था विच आई पोस्टेड. लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैज आस्क्ड फॉर दैट. आई थिंक पिंकिश कलर में था, पीच पिंक कलर में. I forgot, and वो सारे मांग रहे थे but I was not able to provide because as I said all are single pieces. You can go for this lovely green color. Okay, बहुत premium dress है in lovely green color. This one the size which will fit 38 to 40. Okay, 38 to 40 को जाएगा but as per my this is comfortable if I am doing like this. So I guess 36 38 हाँ 40 को जाएगा but I prefer 36 38 ही जाए. Okay, 36 38 can go for this. सब with lining till bottom. You can see lining till bottom में है. It's very premium color, lovely color dress. Okay, बहुत प्यारा color है. Okay, you can get it for, you can see again I repeat the size 36 to 38. Okay, 36 to 38, and this one the price is 750 free shipping. 750 free shipping. I think I have got two more colors. I'll show it to you. So here comes a very beautiful dress. Okay, look at this. इसका side cuts भी ऐसे है, ठीक है. And the size which will fit 38-40. Okay, the size which will fit 38-40. It's a beautiful dress and इस पे देखिए ये आपके ऐसे this is not color, this is a thread only, so it won't come out also. Okay, it's a beautiful dress just for 750 free shipping. Just for 750 free shipping, sorry, just for 850 free shipping. 850 free shipping में ये बहुत ही सुंदर सा ड्रेस है. ओके, इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल विथ जॉर्जेट. आपका जॉर्जेट विथ लाइनिंग, लाइनिंग भी आपका पूरा नीचे तक है. जॉर्जेट विथ लाइनिंग, बहुत सुंदर ड्रेस है. 38 to 40 कैन गो. सो लुक एट दिस गॉर्जियस ड्रेस. ओके, इतना सुंदर ड्रेस है एंड द फैब्रिक ऑल्सो एकदम फॉलिंग फैब्रिक पे रहेगा, ठीक है. एंड द बैक साइड यू कैन सी अ लवली टाइंग ऑप्शन इज देयर. फ्रंट में आपका ऐसा है, हॉल्टर स्टाइल में रहेगा. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेस एंड द साइज विच विल फिट आपका 38 40 42 44 तक को जाएगा बिकॉज इट इज ऑन अ हॉल्टर स्टाइल. ओके, 38 40 42 44 कैन गो फॉर दिस ब्यूटीफुल स्टनिंग ड्रेस. इट्स अ लवली पार्टी वेयर ड्रेस समर के लिए. ओके, समर के लिए बहुत ही सुंदर ड्रेस है. एंड लुक एट द फ्लो, लुक एट द फ्लो. ओके, इतना सुंदर ड्रेस है. एंड दिस वन द साइज अगेन आई रिपीट 38 40 42 44 तक को जाएगा. फैब्रिक ऑल्सो इज स्ट्रेचेबल, सो आपका ऐसे रहेंगे. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल ड्रेस जस्ट फॉर 1150 free shipping. You can grab this dress for 1150 free shipping. So this is a black dress. Okay, black as always looks slim. बहुत ही सुंदर dress है and the fabric is super fabric. This one the size which will fit 40 42. Okay, the size which will fit 40 42. Very comfortable and very relaxed ड्रेस है दिस वन इन जस्ट फॉर 750 फ्री शिपिंग. फैब्रिक भी इसका बहुत अलग सा है. ओके, बिकॉज दीज आर ऑल इम्पोर्टेड पीसेस, तो फैब्रिक्स आर ऑलवेज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम, नॉट फ्रॉम द इंडियन फैब्रिक टाइप नहीं होगा. जो लोकल वाला है वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. ओके, 42 को जाएगा जस्ट फॉर 750 फ्री शिपिंग. So look at this gorgeous dress. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, it is. It's a very, very classy dress with a V-neck style which give you a thinner and taller look. And the print, I'll show it to you from near. So it has little silvery thread, and this is the print. And the waist is also completely in elastic. And this one, the size which will fit 38 ko bhi jayega. As I wear 38, so it is looking good on me. 38, 40, 42 can go. Okay, it's a beautiful long dress, and इस सब का linings देखिए कहाँ तक है. Okay, because these are heavy dresses. 1150 free shipping, 38, 40, 42. A beautiful dress. Beautiful dress. Seriously, it's such a lightweight dress and super comfortable. 38, 40, 42 can go for this. So look at this. It's a beautiful dress again, and it's in a cotton fabric only with lining. Lining भी आपका एकदम नीचे तक है. Okay, lining is till bottom you can see. Okay, ये आपका पूरा नीचे तक है. And this one, it comes with the pocket also. It comes with the pocket also. A very beautiful color. It's in a denim color. Denim जो होता है with white embroidery. And this is the exact color which is coming. Okay, this is the exact color which is coming. It comes with the belt also. And ये आपका waist area भी it is elastic. Okay, back side is elastic, and it comes with the pocket. Super beautiful piece. And the size which will fit 34, 36, 38. Okay, the size which will fit 34, 36, 38. Look at this gorgeous dress in 1150 free shipping. You can grab it for 34, 36, 38. And one more thing, if you book 2 pieces, then you get additional discount. And if you want to book and hold the piece as well, you can hold so that you can avail the discount in the next order. 44 to 46. 44 to 46 can go for this. Obviously, it's a big for me. So I'll just hold it and show it to you. Back side may be smoky hai, back area mein. I'll show you the back side. Okay, so this will be the back side. Back will be like this. And the front is like this. It comes with the strap like this, strap dress. And 44 to 46 can go. ये जब मैं ऐसे पकड़ लूंगी, so this will be the look. Okay, very, very premium quality rayon it is. Premium quality rayon, and हाँ इस पे हाँ premium quality rayon है. Just for 850 free shipping में, 850 with free shipping. Premium quality rayon, 850 free shipping. You can grab this for. It's a beautiful dress for 44 to 46. मैं ऐसे hold कर रही हूँ so that you can have a look how the look will be. And it is flary. Don't worry, it is a flary dress. In 50 size, 46, 48, 50, 750 free shipping, 46, 48, 50. कितना ठंडा फैब्रिक है, and look at the color print combination. ठीक है, it's a beautiful dress and super flary, super comfortable in 750 free shipping. 46, 48, 50 can go. Sleeves में आपका ऐसे रहेंगे, so that is the reason और ज़्यादा comfortable है. 46, 48, 50 can go for this in 750 free shipping. So one more you can see 46, 48, 50. Okay, 46, 48, 50. बहुत सुंदर ड्रेस है, बहुत सुंदर ड्रेस है. एंड इसका फैब्रिक ही देखिए. Okay, it's a fabric is 4-way stretch fabric में रहेगा. It's a beautiful dress with the sleeves also like this. Very, very pretty. And this is a classy piece, top notch piece in just for 1250 free shipping. 1250 free shipping में 46, 48, 50 में. और ये फैब्रिक फॉलिंग ऐसा है, you won't look fat also. बहुत ही बॉडी हगिंग ड्रेस है. And the flare is top notch. Okay, very, very beautiful piece. In 1250 free shipping, you can grab this dress for. Look at this. So here comes a stunning piece, and ये बहुत ही सुंदर piece है. It's a jumpsuit in chiffon. It's a jumpsuit in chiffon, and the size is size is 46, 48, 50. 46, 48, 50. अरे पहनो तो ऐसा पहनो ना कि लोग पूछे कि कहाँ से लिया. It's so pretty. In just 1250 free shipping में chiffon में jumpsuit है, in 46, 48, 50. I think 44 also can go because ये completely falling में है. And the back side you'll be getting this tying option. ठीक है, tie करके hook and chain सब कुछ है. Okay, it's a smart, very very smart tool. I love this piece. In 1250 free shipping, you can grab this for. Final piece for today's video. Look at this. It's a beautiful stunning dress and the size which will fit 36, 38, 40. 36, 38, 40 में premium rayon में है. This dress is 36, 38, 40 in 950 free shipping. In 950 free shipping, gorgeous, super soft, buttery soft piece है. 36, 38, 40. Back side में you get this smoky also. And these were the collections for today. Please do like and subscribe my channel. आप लोग subscribe नहीं करते हो, please do subscribe and just share to your friend circle so that they can also have a look on my collections. And I hope you like. Please do comment how you like my collections and give a like on my collections as well. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and do keep shopping.